welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. Now you probably saying he got on that same damn shirt 3 videos in a row. Well, that is because all of these videos were filmed on the same day, if you ain't figured that out. But in today's video, I am on my way. In this video, I am on my way to the track. Yes, you heard it. It's been some time since I've been to the track, but I'm on my way there now. The weather is great. It's dark. I have never been to the track in this type of weather, so this should be fun actually, and I'm hoping that my times are going to be better. I've also made some adjustments to my nitrous, so I'm hoping I can kick that problem I was having with pinging on the rev limiter. I hope I got that fixed. Otherwise, we'll just manually shift it and work on that. Either way, we going to the track either way. We got the Mickey Thompsons on. I thought maybe since they've been sitting up for so long that they may be, you know, like out of balance or warped or whatever you want to call it. But there seems to be no shake at 70 or 80 miles per hour, so that's good. I'll see you at the track. All right, so we made it to the track. There's a lot of people out here for sure. There's a lot of people out here, so I don't know how many passes I'm gonna get, but we're gonna try to get them in. So let me get this air pressure down out these tires, and hopefully I can line up pretty quickly. I don't plan on being out here all night. All right, guys, so they just opened the lanes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go up here. I'm letting my bottle warm up. It's like 62 degrees so far. Hopefully we can get up there and get this done quickly, and I can take my ass back to the house. I really hope that I get my record, that's for sure. Here we go. Guys, so still hitting the rev lever, so that did not work. It did not work. We're gonna go right back up there, and this time I'm just gonna manually shift it as soon as I see what my times were. Okay, let's see what these times were. Slow as hell. That I had a 1.5 60 foot and did a 7.16 at 95 miles per hour. That sucks ass. I'm just gonna manually shift. I'm going to raise that back up like I had it and manually shift it. We gonna hot lap this hoe. Yes, we are. That was actually a good pass. Let's see what the time was. I got my ass whooped, but I don't. But it was a good pass. Okay, folks, that pass was slow as shit. That was like a non-nitrous pass. I don't think I had the nitrous on. I couldn't have. We did a 167 60 foot, no reason for that, and a 759 total. I don't think I had the nitrous on all the way with a 759. That's what I run without nitrous. Let me check the bottle pressure, but something wrong. I don't know. I think I'm gonna make one more pass, manually shifting, and take it to the house because something is wrong. Something is wrong. Okay, guys, so I just made another pass. At least I won the race. Still slow, still slow. I may as well call it a day. I had a 162 60 foot. That's slow as fuck. And a 719 at 97 miles an hour. In the summer, I was hitting 100 miles an hour, so I'm down on something. Could be this race fuel, because it's been sitting up for a while. I don't know. I don't know. But I think we're going to call it a day. I think we're going to call it a day. Tomorrow is a work day. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.